Facilities Management and your Personnel Department present the Workplace of the Future. Welcome to the Workplace of the Future, where we introduce to you cutting-edge design for the modern office, starting with the containment unit for business individuals that conspires to limit everyone's socializations, or cubicles. Yes, the cubicle, with its gray monotone palette and energy-absorbing texture, is just part of the new design for our office workplace that will help to maximize efficiency and worker productivity. Say, these meeting rooms are new, perfect for escaping the noise of the factory production line. And look at these, state-of-the-art filing cabinets to store all your files for easy access, and to avoid misplacing your paperwork in boxes and drawers. With only 3% of new employees completing secretarial school, we've got you covered with the newest models of typewriter. To learn on. There are desks for everyone, located close to your boss, so you can follow their instructions. Even the latest Xerox machines to make as many black and white photocopies as you need.
This all seems more than a little out of date by today's standards of doing business, doesn't it? Most of us don't work in factories today, so closed meeting rooms have lost their original purpose. We move and store information digitally on our computers and use cloud storage to save our files now. More than 70% of people know how to type, text, and video conference before entering the workforce. And we have smartphones and tablets and mobile apps to share information and collaborate together. So you don't need to sit next to your boss to get your work done. So why does our workplace still look the same? Rogers has thought a lot about what you've been saying. He said loud and clear that our workplace is tired, our tools and technology are out of date, and the marketplace is changing quickly, meaning we need to be able to respond faster. So Rogers is going to empower you to work in a more agile environment by introducing a new way of working that breaks down barriers, not just walls, so you can get your job done quickly and easily. It's about looking ahead and creating an environment that will enable all of us to deliver our best and also help Rogers win. So forget about what you think your work environment should be and take a moment to imagine what it could be. What if your work environment could empower you to deliver your best? What if you were given better tools and technology to collaborate on while working in an environment that allowed you to adapt quickly and work efficiently? Now, I know you have questions about what this means for you, for your team, for your office, and you may have heard a few rumors too. So let's talk about the top 10 myths you might be hearing. It's going to be all open concept with rows and rows of desks and no offices. It's true, there won't be any individual offices, but there will be a large range of new workspaces to benefit from. On a typical floor, there will be up to 8 different choices to work in, from quiet study areas to large project rooms. Managers won't be able to find their teams. Yes, you will. All teams will have home zones, neighborhoods, and everyone will be just a click away. You won't be able to print anymore. You get better tools and devices to collaborate, and so you won't need to print as much, but you'll still have access to a printer when you need it. I won't be able to have my personal photos at work. Yes, you will. Your laptop will be enabled so you can store personal photos and you can access them wherever you work. I won't have anywhere to keep my personal belongings. Of course you will. Lockers and storage options will be available for all employees. This is about reducing costs and real estate. Our current cubicle cities are not working. At our Toronto Bloor campus alone, we have more than 700 unused office spaces. However, when departments need to expand or contract, the empty areas are not close to the department that needs them. Our new work environment is much more flexible, which makes it easier to meet the changing needs of our teams. I won't be able to concentrate in an open work environment. It won't be as noisy as you think. People tend to regulate how loud they talk. but you will have access to libraries and private rooms to focus and concentrate if you need them. I won't be able to make a private phone call. Yes, you will. There will be private rooms available to use whenever you need them. I won't be able to keep information confidential in an open area. Since most information will be digital, it will now be more secure. Filing cabinets containing paper-based information are often left unlocked, and confidential paper is left on desks, increasing the risk of unsecure information. There won't be enough meeting rooms. There will be a big increase in meeting rooms, collaboration spaces, and private areas to suit your needs and accomplish your tasks. Look, hundreds of companies have switched the way they work to give their teams more ways to collaborate and increase their agility. Concepts like this work in companies all over the world. The most common comment after it's introduced is, why didn't we do this sooner? And I don't know how we got things done before. It's time to step out of the past and jump into the future with ShareSpace.